Hello, my name is Danny Azagunfur. You are 15 CS304. Today I'll be doing experiment number 5 of Java Lab. So, the question which is given to me was the first one. Develop a hostel management system for hostel manager to maintain various hostel details. Keep the required classes and various packages and have a test class which uses all these packages appropriately. So, here is my program. So as you can see, there are 1 2 and 3. There are 3 packages I've created. One is package hot kitchen, one is package laundry, and the third one is hostel. So in the hostel I have a main.java file which has a main function and the student.java file. And first of all, I'll be going to the hot kitchen account. So this is a very basic function of a hot kitchen. Um, I've just created a scanner class to take in the detail in buy coupons function. So there's only one variable over here, that is balance. Um, it should have been total expenditure, but I've just used the word balance over here. So here, while creating a object of hot kitchen account, the balance will be set to 0 automatically. And here is a getter and setter for the balance function. And here is a buy coupons function which allows the user to buy coupons according to 500, 600, or 700. That's how the system is in the hostel right now. So I've been implementing that into the program. So according to his choice, he enters 1, 2, or 3, and according to that, coupons will be initialized with 500, 600, or 700, and it will set the balance as get balance plus coupon. So if suppose the balance, it's not balance actually, it's the expenditure. So I'll be just using the word balance. So it will be get balance. So if I've already spent like 500 rupees and I'm spending another, this is the second time I've taken 500 rupees more worth of coupons. So this would be get balance, that is 500 plus 500,000, and I'll be setting the balance as 1,000. The next time I come back, get balance would be 1,000, and I'll be spending like 700 coupons. So the total will be 1,700 that will get set as balance. And this is having a return type as int, and I'll be returning the number of coupons I'm taking each time. So this is the hot kitchen account. Second is laundry account. It's similar to the hot kitchen account, just much more simpler. This is again having a balance, a constructor which will initialize balance as 0. These are the getters and setters. And this, instead of buy coupons, it's a send clothes function. So it depends on the number of clothes you want to send. If you're sending 8 clothes, then the amount will be 80. That is 10 per each cloth. So the number of clothes into 10 will be the amount you are spending. And again here the same thing, set balance, the get balance plus amount will be set into the balance, and this also has a return type, so it will be returning the value of amount. Now coming to the student.java file, it is importing the hotkitchen.hotkitchen account, that is a package, and this is the class name. Here again import laundry account, that is the laundry package. Laundry account is imported into the hostel package, student.java. And here first of all I'm just declaring all the variables, that is hot kitchen account, because every student has one hot kitchen account and one laundry account. So hot kitchen account A is equal to new hot kitchen account. So balance in the hot kitchen is 0, and laundry account L is equal to new laundry account, and the laundry balance is now initialized as 0. And every student has a name, ID, department, and a mess bill. So the mess bill is also supposed to be initialized as 0. So I'm going to do that. now there's a display function which displays a name, the ID instead of register number, because register number becomes a, a string variable, and it would be looking a little more complicated. So I've used ID, and it shows the department and the mess bill. Here's the get details function which fetches all the details together. Here are the getters and setters for each and every single variable I have declared. Here is public void enter hot kitchen. So whenever you want to access your hotkitchen.java file, I'm using this enter hot kitchen function so that you can buy coupons or you can check your expenditure. That are the two functions which is there in the hotkitchen.java file. So you can check both of these through the enter hot kitchen. So here is the first one, buy coupon. So um, if ch equal to 1, mess bill is equal to mess bill plus a dot buy coupons, and as you know, buy coupons function will return the amount of coupons I'm buying, so that will get added to your mess bill. And similarly, if ch is equal to 2, get balance, so we can just get the total balance of the uh, hot kitchen, that is how much ever you have spent on hot kitchen, that you can access through here. And else it shows enter a proper choice, and you can be in this whole hot kitchen loop until and unless you press any number other than 0. And similarly, the laundry function, um, here again the first one is send close, second one is check expenditure, that is the total expenditure you have spent on laundry. The first, if you enter 1, mess bill plus is equal to mess bill plus L dot send clothes. That is how many clothes you're spending, sending. The amount of money you have to spend on those clothes will be added to your mess bill. So every time, if you go to hot kitchen once and to the laundry once, both expenditure will be added to your mess bill together. And when ch is equal to 2, you can check how much you have spent on your laundry altogether, and else shows enter a proper choice. um, so now coming on to the main function, um, it's quite big over here, but I'll explain you one by one. Here I've created an array of 50 students and given the reference for each and every single student. Here are four commonly used variables: choice, limit, ID, and flag. Um, so here I'm entering the menu, that is in a do while loop. So I can enter four choices. One is register students into the hostel. Second is open the hot kitchen account, and third one is open the laundry account, and fourth is display all records of each and every single student. So according to the option one, we can enroll students into the hostel. So every time you enter a student into the hostel, um, you have to enter your details, so it gets all the details of all the students. And this limit actually shows the number of students that already exist in your hostel. So if suppose there are 5 students, when another student comes into the hostel, it will be pointing to student number 6. So the limit shows that, and yeah, you can keep adding more and more students till 50 students. And case 2 is uh, two is hot kitchen. So enter hot kitchen. So it will ask the student ID, and if the ID is found, it will enter the hot kitchen and break out of the loop. And if it's not found, it will show simply that the ID doesn't exist. And similarly, the third one is the laundry account. And again, it asks for the student ID. If the student ID is found, it will enter the laundry of the student and break out from the loop. Else, uh, no, it will show that the ID simply doesn't exist. And the fourth one is display all the functions of all the students that are there in the hostel. That is, it will show the name, the ID, the department, and the total mess bill that is there for each and every single student. So we're going to run this program now. Uh, Main.java. So first, I'm going to register two students. Okay, so the number of students you want to register, two. Student one, name Danny, ID one, department CSE, and second one is Akshay, uh, ID two, and department IT. Now, do I want to continue? Yes. I'll be opening my Hot Kitchen account now. So student ID one, I'm buying coupons worth 700. So I'll take three. And now if I check expenditure, it will show total Hot Kitchen expenditure is 700. Do I want to continue? Yes, I can. I'll show you once more. I'll buy more coupons. Now I'll buy worth 600. I want to continue. Now when I check expenditure, my total Hot Kitchen expenditure is 1300. Now I don't want to continue. And this, the second time it's asking, do you want to continue? That is for the overall thing. Now it's come out of the Hot Kitchen and it's showing the do you want to continue from the main function. So yes, I want to continue. Now I'm opening the laundry account of Akshay. So student ID 2, send clothes. He's sending 20 clothes. Uh, do I want to continue? Yes. Check expenditure. As you can see, it's 200 because 20 into 10 is 200. Now I'll come back and open Akshay's Hot Kitchen account. He's buying coupons was 700 and check expenditure. Now you can see that the laundry account expenditure and the Hot Kitchen account expenditure aren't clashing at all, but it will be added in the mess bill. So now when you check Akshay's expenditure, he will have a total of 900 in his mess bill because 700 comes from Hot Kitchen and 200 comes from his laundry account. So now I don't want to continue. Uh, Now I'll be displaying all student records. As you can see, Danny, I've already spent 700 and 600 on Hot Kitchen, so mine total is 1300. And Akshay is ID2, he's from IT department, and he has spent 900. As I said, from Hot Kitchen and from from his laundry account. Now, now there are two students already uh, in this hostel. Now I'm going to register one more student into the account into the hostel. So I'll be entering Vidyut. His ID will be 3 and department will be EC. And now I'll be just displaying all records. As you can see, Vidyut hasn't spent anything anywhere, so his mess bill will be initialized as 0 and that's what it displays. And when you want to exit from the loop, just press 0 and that's the problem. So thank you for watching.